Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix pen pressure not working in Illustrator by the simplest way. First of all, we see this problem and then solve this problem by two simple ways. So first of all, we see the problem. Just go to the brush. Here is the brush. Double click on our brush. Just go to the size. Here we find fix. Just select that and we want to select pressure, but pressure is not selecting. Okay, or pressure is selecting but not working. We are going to solve this two problem by the two simple way. Okay, now close it. Now we are going to the control panel. Just go to the start, just type control panel, click on the control panel. In control panel, just find programs and features. Just click on the programs and features. Here, just find your graphical tablet drivers. If you're using Wacom, then Wacom drivers. If you're using XP or any other graphical tablet, then find the graphical tablet. Just select your graphical tablet. I am using XP Pen tablet, so I just click on the Pen tablet drive version and XP Pen and uninstall it. Uninstall it and reinstall it. That is my first solution. Okay. Then now the second solution is just go to the file at here, edit. Just go to the edit. Now just go to the preferences, just go to the general, and here just go to the last devices option and just select enable Wacom. Okay, now click on the OK. Now just close our Illustrator. No, I don't want to save this. Now I just go to the start, just go to the Illustrator once again, Adobe Illustrator once again. Now I just create a new. Okay, now I just select my brush. I just go to the calligraphy brush, open brush, artist calligraphy brush. I just select any of these brush and I just go to the any brush. Okay, now I just make angle to 180, roundness to 100%, and in size I just go to the fixed, and our pressure is now working. So I just click on the pressure. I just go with the 20. Okay, now I just click on the OK, or I just go to the 9. Okay, 9 is very good, and I just go to the 9 at here, click on OK. Now I just check my brush is working or not. Okay, now my brush is working. You can see width change in my brush. Okay, as I press hard, my brush become very large. I press small or very lightly on my tablet, then my pressure become very small. Okay, so guys, this is the simplest way to fix pen pressure not working in Adobe Illustrator by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.